mushroom soup. For this recipe I'm using 220 grams corn pieces, 1 carrot chopped, 230 grams of mushrooms, 50 grams sliced green beans, 50 grams garden peas, 2 spring onions chopped, 2 Knorr vegetable stock pots, all-purpose seasoning, salt and pepper. Gently fry your corn pieces for a few minutes. And fry your mushrooms for a minute or two. Add 1 pint of water to a large saucepan. Dissolve the stock pots in 1 pint of boiling water and add to your water in your pan. And stir. Add the corn pieces to the pan. Carrots, beans, peas, spring onions, mushrooms. Oops. And some all-purpose seasoning. Bring to the boil and simmer for 45 minutes. Cover and simmer for 45 minutes. Remember to add the salt and pepper. Stir, stir. Yeah, it's rude to stir. Lid. Simmer, simmer, simmer. 45 minutes. 45 minutes are up. Let's have a look, see what it's like. Oh, lovely.